Welcome to my video on finding reliable woodworking machinery auctions. Learn how to find trustworthy and affordable options. Auctions provide quality equipment at great prices, offering rare industrial tools while promoting sustainability through reuse. Research auction houses, check history, reviews, specialties, and use sites like BidSpotter and AuctionZip. Attend previews or request condition reports. Check wear, maintenance, testing, and remember pictures don't show everything. Read auction terms carefully. Understand payments, buyer premiums, and transport duties to avoid surprises after purchase. Reliable woodworking auctions offer quality tools. Research thoroughly, inspect machines, and understand terms for a successful purchase. Thanks for watching.